all on one more yet show of KYM, Know Your Member series by GWN, that is Global Wedding Network. Thank you, Varun. Thank you for entire team for making this session lively. And today we have Gagan Gupta from Indore. So to welcome before Gagan Gupta. To know more about Gagan Gupta, he's from Purple Patch Events, and Purple Patch Events is a wedding event company in Indore. And he has a couple of partners in various cities of India as well. So let's hear from Gagan Gupta. Sir, first tell me, what is a Purple Patch event? I mean, the meaning of Purple Patch. Why such a different kind of name?
Well, Deepak, hi. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gagan, and I'm so grateful to have to speak to you all and to have you all here. That's a beautiful opportunity to know each one of you and to introduce myself to you guys. So, Purple Patch. When it comes to Purple Patch it's a phrase basically. The Purple Patch. This phrase means an exceptionally good period in life. The most glorious phase or the most blissful and the charismatic days that you have, and that's one of the experience that everyone has. So when it comes to weddings or any of the event, that particular thing is the most beautiful part of a person's life, and to curate that experience, we named ourselves as Purple Patch, and that's something everybody remembers for long. So that's the reason why we call it Purple Patch event, Purple Patch experience basically.
Superb, superb, superb. It is a unique name. I've never heard about such a name. And trust me, I like the way you are explaining. Definitely, it would have a lot to yield to the client. Uh, I would like
You
to
explore it
know
and you
more
get
about.
it.
Oh wow! So, can you please throw light on what Purple Patch events is all about and how many, like, how you cater, or tell me more something about Purple Patch events.
Okay, well, Purple Patch event is basically the luxury wedding, personal and social event division of Talk Concepts. Uh, we started long back as an task management company, um, and gradually, as this wedding event management prevailed in central India around 2010-11, we started working for weddings also, and it came out beautiful, and we called it Purple Patch events. So Purple Patch events is among in अगर हम Central India की बात करते हैं, it's among the leading wedding planners of Central India, and has brought a much structured approach to Indian weddings, making them a completely hassle-free affair for the family. With a team of dedicated professionals and even planners and extensive operational experience that we have done more than 600 weddings so far nationally and internationally, and we're still counting. So we offer end-to-end planning and solutions for all aspects, like right from hiring an aircraft to arranging room amenities to we understand that the guests attending the wedding are very special, and we want to give them that treatment, and we work on details of each event. So that makes it what we are. We have so far work around multiple venues, including national, international luxury places, including Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Goa, Khajuraho, Vizag, Orcha, Agra, um, to name a few, like Thailand, Dubai, Singapore, Sri Lanka. So that was we have been working around since last couple of years.
So, did you say 600 weddings? Did I hear it right?
Yes, we have done so far. That's what.
Wow, that is an amazing number. And have you ever left a single city of India where you have not done an event?
The list is big, but yes, there are a lot of. I mean, the India is huge, and we are looking forward to explore each and every destination of India to work around with.
Amazing, amazing, and
The journey is
amazing to
going
have
on.
you. Amazing. So, such a practically journey. Uh, who is your inspiration between? Like, we have built so much in this thing. I would like
So,
to know more on your team, your inspiration. Yes.
well, when it comes to inspiration, I must tell you, first of all, the inspiration comes from inside. So I never wanted to have a monotonous career sitting at a desk. So, and on the other hand, the basic ingredient of this industry, which has a lot of the experience industry, which is like variety, you have challenges, excitement, and these things pulled me. This thing pulled me, and that instant feedback gives you the adrenal rush. So that was one of the inspiration to get into it. And after that, the most important thing that happened is I came across a lot of professionals in my career, like including a lot of decorators, choreographers, sound and light guys, special effects guys, and I've seen them working. So when I see their dedication towards work, I mean, this gives amazing inspiration again to do something better than before. So इन सबके साथ मिलकर जो experience curate होते हैं उनको हर बार ऐसा लगता है कि इस बार से बेहतर कुछ अगली करा जाए. So the entire team, the young team of youngsters, we have a huge team to work around that's like on roles as well as the freelancers. They are the real inspirators. Like they inspire us a lot. They have very excitement. They are very excited to do something new. They are very excited, charged up. So that inspires.
So, do you have offices in other cities of India?
Yes, Deepak, we have our operations where we are in Indore, we are in Delhi, we also have Mumbai operations. We are in Raipur, but because of pandemic, usko thoda pause diya hai, and we are also there in Goa. But soon by January, we would resume everything again.
Since I am from Ahmedabad, are you planning to come up in Ahmedabad too?
I would love to. I have one of a very wonderful associate with me. He's like elder brother to me. Akar Exhibitions, Preval Mehta there in Ahmedabad. And Deepak, certainly you are there, my buddy. So I am looking forward to come sit next to you and operate from Ahmedabad.
Anytime, I'm always there with you. Let me ask you one different kind of question. Like, what kind of situation have you ever faced? Tough situations you might have ever faced. I mean, kind of please put a light on it.
Deepak, very frankly, event management is not a one-man's job. It is all about team. Team, your associates, your vendors, and when they all come together, things goes easy. As far as the situations are concerned, we have faced all sort of situations that could have ever happened in an event, right from like success to failures to breakdowns, bad weather, meeting timelines, happy tears on satisfied client face, million smiles, everything that you can ever think of, we have faced it. And I'm so happy and proud to tell you that it's because of the vendors and the team that we have, wonderful team that we have. We call it Team Purple Patch. They all stood together to face everything, and we've been able to curate beautiful experience. We call it Purple Patch experience for all our clients. So yes, we have faced it all.
Wow. So kindly share us such an event, like what kind of situations have been across you or during these pandemic times. How was your time around, and what challenges did you face this time?
See, pandemic. First of all, I would put my deep condolence to the lives lost and the families who have lost somebody in the family due to pandemic. But when it comes to pandemic, in my opinion, pandemic जो इतना उसने बुरा करा है उसके साथ में it was also given every there's like if you want to look into the positives of it, I would say there are a lot of opportunities. Pandemic has given you time to do the self introspection and correct things that you have done wrong somewhere. You wanted to correct always, but you didn't have time to do that. So the mistakes that we have made past or the improvements that we always wanted to do in the past, this gave you that time. So yes, pandemic has hit us hard, but yes, we spent our entire time developing furthermore on our processes and everything, and that added to our efficiency, and it certainly has, I must say, we're looking forward a very brighter future ahead as slowly and gradually the after effects would go and we would resume the main operation. It would give us a good opportunity to work around. It actually opened up a lot of doors, like to reinvent yourself, your capabilities, and explore new possibilities, opportunities. Yeah.
Okay. Can you share some glimpse of the kind of events what happens around in or around Indore.
So I must tell you, but before I share you anything, I tell you that there's nothing that I curate for myself. There's nothing that I have done by my own. Whatever we have done so far is a combined effort by a lot of people in the industry. And before I showcase anything to you, I mean, I must. It is my moral duty and my respect to every professional who has done a lot of hard work. I'll just take the name of a few of them, and जिनका नाम नहीं लूंगा मैं वो भी उनकी contribution को I really appreciate. And whatever I'm going to show you, the kind of event that happens in Indore and what you can get here, they are the people behind that. So we have decorators like Manoj Yadav ji, Manoj Solanki ji, Piyush Yadav, Hemant Juneja, Jaya Juneja ji, and there are many more. We have caterers like Lala Vajji, Bhandari ji, Shailendra ji, Ayojan Caterers JMB, choreographers Kapil hai from KOD, and we have Balbir, we have Tarun, we have Gaurav, photographers Tony, Vivek Samaya, Gaurav Arthavani, Vivek Shahji, Vijay Shahji, and Focal Eye. Then we have special effects. I love them. We have rapid effects. We have Simran and Ankit. Then we have Light and Sound Durgesh. We have Hardia ji. We have Anup Agrawal, Nitin Soni ji, artist Neeta ji, Pooja ji. So these people curate a lot of beautiful experience, and I'll just show you some of the films. इन सबके साथ मिलकर हम जब कोई इवेंट को फॉर्मुलेट करके लेकर आते हैं मेहमानों के लिए. So what comes up? I'll just take you through some Sangeet events or some of the vendors or something like that. I'll just take you through that.
Yes, please. I'm eagerly waiting for this glimpse around.
Yeah. Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can, please.
Okay. The host has to allow me to share my screen.
Is it? Just a second.
Okay, thank you.
Varun, can.
So here's some of the games. These are. Yeah, I'm there. I'm done. I'm sharing it. Now this is these are few of the events, glimpse of the events that curated by Kapil, the choreographer with the from Kingdom of Danza. So you'll find a lot of events, the kind of events that we do with Kapil, and बहुत सारे अलग इवेंट्स नॉट ओनली जो हमने करे उसके अलावा जो इंदौर में इवेंट्स होते हैं विद अदर इवेंट प्लानर्स वेडिंग प्लानर्स उन सब के भी यहाँ पे ग्लिम्स आपको मिलेंगे एंड दीस आर काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स दैट वी बीन डूइंग इन इंदौर. I hope you're able to hear the music. I mean, sounds okay?
Music is not audible.
Okay, let me just check.
I think you need to start your screen again if that's not a problem.
Okay, let me just stop it and start again.
Guys, in between, kindly inbox your questions so that we have Logan Gupta with us, and he is very much best at what he does in events. So if you have any questions, you can put it in your chat box. I'll ask Gagan ji to answer it for you. So until he starts his screen.
So these are some of the events that's been that's compilation done by Kapil, Kingdom of Danza. Courtesy to him and a lot of decor. Like we have Manoj Yadav ji set up here. Manoj Solanki ji set up. Piyush Yadav ji set up. That's what he does. Such good. So different functions, different curations, what the client wants, giving them their dream events. Beautifully done. When it comes to wedding entries, I'll just take you through that also.
मुझे एक बात बताओ, ये लाइव इवेंट का सिनेमेटोग्राफी आपने करवाई है कहीं से? ये मुझे बॉलीवुड थीम सॉन्ग, बॉलीवुड मूवी का सॉन्ग लग रहा है। गलत
And
सच बात बताऊं
similarly,
तो ये कोई मूवी लग रही थी, मैं चल रही।
pardon?
मैं सच बात बताऊं तो मेरे को ये मूवी जो एक चल
I'll
रही
show
थी
you
और
some more.
आपने
I'll show you some
सिनेमेटोग्राफी
even
किया,
more
मुझे
clips
कहीं
if
से।
you're there. So these are some of the entries that we do at some of the events. Like, so we have this event handled by. I'll just share again. So this again couples wedding entries done by couple and other team. We have Balveer also doing a lot of events with us and amazing entries that have been done. Some of the events done by other event planners along with us, all our friends.
So is this indoor
This is
or
all
some other
indoor,
place?
indoor neighbor areas and all. So this decor is again done by Sajda Decor. So this
बड़ा
is these are
कस्टमाइजेशन
kind of
लग रहा है
events
कुछ।
that happens at Indore. So it's all about like the entire winter base. Indore is an amazing place to uh, come and get the weddings done. Like you get your dream weddings executed here at Indore.
I totally agree. I was in Indore a couple of weeks ago, and I totally agree what you're trying to say. 100%.
So this kind of venues that we have Sheraton, we have Golden Leaf, we have Radisson, we have Marriott, Rajbagh, Pride, and similar venues that we have. I mean, amazing venues, amazing lawns to curate that beautiful event experience.
How can we forget Sayaji? Amazing, amazing, amazing things what you have done, and I'm sure you are ready to cater more. So, still, like I would like to ask why Purple Patch events, why not someone else? Though I have got already the answers, but still, I would like to.
Like Deepak, I would tell you it's not about why Purple Patch and why not somebody else. It's not about not having somebody else. It's all about a group, and it's about not choosing only one, but it is choosing the wiser one. The wise choice is that like you need to choose wisely. Number one, number two. It's not only about Purple Patch. I mean, we cannot do all the events. Obviously, there are wonderful players like amazing friends that we have. We have Dhruv, we have Thairya, we have Sumit, we have Arpan, we have Arpit, we have um, Karmesh, we have all sort of lot of people like right from the top notch, the middle and the low notches, and everyone has their own USPs to work around. And I would say why Purple Patch. That's one thing that I would certainly like to say about. But I would certainly want to avoid seeing not somebody else.
My question was like, what is the
Okay.
USP of a
So
Purple?
what Purple Patch makes what we are is our USPs. Like the team Purple Patch is our biggest USP. The team is the biggest USP that we have. Then we have our ethical business practices that we follow, and we have our SOPs. That is systematic operating procedures that we follow. So weddings happens to be very personal affair, and we do it very professionally. Very professionally. Um, every team member, whoever is wearing a Purple Patch T-shirt or a badge or wearing the Purple Patch brand,
him or her, they commit themselves to curate the best of the experience. They work around with the best of their efforts to make sure that जो हमारे client की requirement है वो वहाँ पे deliver हो.
Okay.
They stretch their capacities to deliver what they can do, and that SOPs, जो systematic operating procedures हैं, we make them equipped to follow those SOPs, and right from business pitching to your even budget allocation to vendor selection to defining scope of work, aligning team to executing events and raising the final invoice. Everything is SOP driven. So whether it is first event or the 600th event that we are doing, you'll find the same quality of deliverables. It's not depending on a person. We restrain to depend any event on person. अगर एक व्यक्ति के ऊपर निर्भर करके event नहीं करना, we have to have the entire system in place. So anything goes wrong with the person leading, there's somebody else to take care of it. So that is the biggest USP that we have. So our process of, if you say why Purple Patch, because of our process-oriented approach, which includes right from defining the objective to team composition to timelines to resource allocation to monitoring and periodical reviews, everything makes us more efficient and effective, and that certainly brings a wide smile on the client's face. So you want a peaceful event, certainly you can talk to us about it.
Definitely right now, like, I am also from the similar industry. I'm not from events, but then I am from travel. But events and travel work very much hand in hand. So
Yeah.
definitely, I'm looking forward to work with you. And definitely next time when I have any event, it has to be a purple patch event,
Looking
not
forward to
anywhere else.
it.
Yep,
Also,
100%.
I would like to add a little more on Deepak. We have what makes we are working on making Indore as one of the places wherein you can promote destination weddings as you are into travel. So what happens at other places? You have either you have beautiful venues or beautiful properties, but lack of resources. Where you have wonderful resources, you may lack the venues or property. So Indore happens to be one of the places wherein it's a beautiful combination of everything. I'll just share another screen. For example, the special effects, which creates a wow factor here. We are Indore. We have one of the vendors like Rapid Effects who are pioneer into it. So I would just like to showcase another showreel to you.
Please,
So
please.
that gives you a glimpse कि इंदौर में आके आपको क्या मिलता है, and the USP of Indore is its pricing. जिस प्राइस ब्रैकेट पे आपको ये एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, यू विल नेवर फाइंड इट एनीवेयर एल्स इन इन इंडिया. So these are the SFX, जो one of the vendors that we have. Amazing people creating wonderful SFX, and this gives you that wow factor that everyone look forward to their wedding. Amazing big setups, wonderful fireworks shows, amazing venues, big artists, super coordination, and you'll find it everything here in a wonderful price bracket. You can't even imagine. You can't even imagine. To जो इंदौर में हम 100 रुपए में करते हैं, वही मुंबई में 700 रुपए में होता है. This is the
Sir,
price bracket of the. I'm not
मैंने तो देखिए,
evaluating it, but I'm saying if you really want to have a beautiful event ahead, we have everything in house. Indore has everything in house, not we. Indore.
सर मैंने तो सिर्फ ये दुबई में देखा है, न्यूजीलैंड में देखा है. मैं
Deepak,
यूं
I'm sorry, I'm not able to hear you. Just a second. A lot of celebrity events that happens. These are the amazing experiences that आपका मुंह खुला खुला रह जाता है. ये wow factor. These are the things that we always wanted to create. आपको सब मिलेगा इंदौर में, और ये सब लेकर हम बाहर भी आते हैं. We can always come up with all these things at Ahmedabad. जब आप बोल रहे हैं आने के लिए, तो वो certainly भी there.
मैंने ये सब फ्रेंकली दुबई में देखा है, न्यूजीलैंड में देखा है, इंडिया में नहीं देखा है.
Super.
So the thing what you are trying to convey, it's definitely मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है कि what sort of things you do and how you do. So definitely, like Purple Patch is one of the best right now. Into my eyes, it's the best event company I've ever seen or I've ever felt to talk to. I'll definitely bring it on to the my.
ये आपका बड़प्पन है, पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. We are still a learner. We are still learning. There's a huge way to go. There are big companies out there. We give a lot of B2B solutions. We have a lot
B2B.
of renowned companies who also hire our services, who hire Team Purple Patch to get their event executed. We wear their t-shirts, we wear their brand, and we get it executed for them. So we are still on a path to success. Let's see how far we need to go. हम बढ़ते आ रहे हैं आगे, आप लोगों की दुआएं हैं. We have also started off. We have taken an initiative. I would love to highlight that. During the pandemic, we took एक step हम लोगों ने लिया है. There are a couple of good leading wedding planners of Indore and wonderful leading associates and vendors in Indore. We have taken up a step to correct the hierarchy of events, like the right triangle that has to be there for a wedding planning and management. If you were to see how the UWPA, that's Unified Wedding Planners Association. So this is one of the association we have formed. The leading wedding planners of Indore, they have come together to form an association, which helps you to it's one of its kind association wherein we are curating wonderful experience, keeping the ethical business practices in line. For example, no commissioning from any vendor for however it is, no commissionings. Ensuring that the client gets best of the value for their money. एक तरफ तो क्लाइंट है, दूसरी तरफ वेंडर्स है. वी ऑल्सो विल मेक श्योर दैट द वेंडर डू नॉट लूज देयर इंटरेस्ट. उनका जो पैसे का सिक्योरिटी है, उनका जो पेमेंट सिक्योरिटीज हैं, वो भी हम लोग इंश्योर करें. So it's a beautiful concept that we have come together. We have this is the first time that all these many people came together as one, and we are promoting it very efficiently, and we are looking forward for wonderful future ahead with that.
Excellent. So these are what your future planning is all about, to create a bridge between a client and vendors around in.
Yes.
Super. What ambition what you are taking along. So I would like to know one last thing from you is any messages to your event industry, how to any message to your event industry?
Yes, I would love to. I have experienced something which I want to share. That's not a message, that's just an experience I'm sharing. There was a time when we started off as every company starts from a thought. हम लोग भी वहां से शुरू करे थे, एक विचार के साथ शुरू करे थे. And the first thing is like you have friends and families coming together. So up to a certain extent, we worked as a family-owned business, बनिए की दुकान. And एक समय के बाद में we felt that we need some more guidance. Our learning curve has to go even higher, and we hired a professional service from a very renowned consultant of India, Mr. Suresh Shetty. He's our consultant for human capital and business excellence. From there, our journey of transformation started from a baniya ka dukan to a corporate, and that has helped us a lot. So what I've understood going through this journey is the opportunities are immense. There's a huge scope in the market. It is just about the approach that you have. If you are systematically driven, if you have the right things, if you have the right manpower and everything is driven the right way, you don't even know how much capacity that you have to explore and grow. So every step, right from recruitment to selection to the job description to their performance reviews, this gives you that strength of the company wherein you're consistently performing and you are able to curate those kind of events that you're dreaming for and your clients getting happy about. So इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर सक्सेस पाना बड़ा आसान है. That it's very easy to get successful in this industry कुछ events करके, but it is very difficult to manage that success. And to manage that success, you need to be a constant learner. So my message to the industry is keep exploring, change the perspective, have a better perspective, bigger vision. If you don't have it, have somebody to give you that vision. Keep learning and keep exploring is what I would love to say. And all the best, and have beautiful future ahead to in this industry.
One more thing, see, talking to you, I'm feeling much more excited, and I would like to ask more and more questions from you. And one more thing I would like to ask is, how is the support? I'm sure the support of your family is immensely the best support you must be getting around. But again, in family, who is the most supportive member in
So
Purple Patch?
I tell you, uh, Pragati, my wife, she's my biggest support. Abhishek, my partner, he's a amazing support. Sureshji, my mentor, is another support. And above all, the entire team of Purple Patch is my support. उनके बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. I'm just no one without my team. So it's the team, family, of course. My son Athar, he pays a lot because Papa का time उधर बीतता है, तो we have to give time to him also. So yes, everyone is paying their own price to curate Purple Patch, and I'm thankful to everyone. Utsav, Ankur in Mumbai, I mean, sorry, in Delhi branch, they are the ones. I have a long list of people जिनके कारण हम जो है वो हैं. हम अकेले कुछ भी नहीं है, उनके बगैर कुछ भी नहीं है. We are nothing without our vendors, without our support, without our associate, allies, team, everyone. You, without you, Deepak, I'm no one. Thank you so much.
uh, Thank you, everyone. It was a wonderful session chatting with Gaganji, and I would like to continue more, but this time is very constrained. So I would like to end this part of KYM series today over here. Thank you, Gaganji, for being online over here with us. Thank you, Varun, for wonderful platform of GWN and KYM series. Yes, Gaganji, you want to say something?
Thank you so very much. Pleasure meeting you all. Thank you so very much.